Alright guys, sadly the last part of the Raritanium guide, so I'm already up to 10. I'm trying to get to 15. Okay, Arthur Shield. This is a new challenge. This isn't the one that goes with the levels. This is one of the extra challenges. I'm playing at Gorn. 11. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, 12. As soon as I get it, I'm leaving because this is just a base level anyway. I'll go back to Slim's Ship Shack and show you what I was going to show you anyway. Oh, come on. Okay. Got to be some Raritanium. Don't know where the Raritanium is. Has to be somewhere. $13 pieces. Need to get 2 more. Oh, there's only 6 ships left, and okay, 14. Come on, maybe 1 more piece somewhere. Come on. Oh my gosh. Come on, 1 more. I don't want another shield. There's only 2 ships left. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Yes. 1 ship left, and finally. Okay. We'll just go like that. You can get back to the galactic map. Back to Slim's Ship Shack. Alright, there it is. Alright. For 15, the triple boost acceleration engine. Alright. Down to 0 Raritanium. Which I can't even buy a freaking paint job. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the Raritanium guide. It was fun. So yeah, I had fun with it. So, next, is it's either the Ratchet and Clank 2 or Going Commando Weapons Guide or the UIA Weapons Guide. I'll do one of those next. So, just look for it on my channel. So yeah. Alright. See ya.